We basically envision a world where Alexa is everywhere, says Priya Abani, director of Amazon Voice Services. Jeff Bezos says that the inspiration for Alexa came from the Star Trek computer, where you ask it to do things for you, and ask it to find things. Typing on a screen is slow, and will be seen as a thing of the past. Taking its place will be your voice, which is fast. Take smart homes with lights that you can control with your phone as an example. As Jeff Bezos says, you still need to find your phone, open the app, get to the right screen, and turn on your light. But with Alexa, you can simply ask Alexa to turn on bedside lamp. Back in the old days, you would listen to the news on the radio, and you didn't need a screen. The difference now is that you are in control with your voice, asking Alexa to tell you the news highlights of the day as you get ready for work, and this allows for faster processing. Elon Musk is working on ways to bridge the gap between our brains and the power of our computers, but could voice control be one step in that direction, as it allows for faster multitasking commands? You can turn on the heating in your car while you are in the kitchen. You can unlock your front door for a repair person while at work, or you can preheat your oven while you're getting out of the shower, all by using voice commands. Today, Alexa has been integrated into over 20,000 devices. You can ask Alexa to have the Roomba start cleaning with an Echo Auto, or a car with Alexa built in. You can ask it to open the garage door while you approach your driveway. There are smart Wi-Fi routers so that you can ask Alexa to pause the Wi-Fi to your children's devices. And as you get ready for bed, you can ask Alexa to turn on your mattress warmer. Amazon is working on making Alexa predictive, opening the blinds, turning on the coffee maker, and playing the news headlines for you in the morning automatically. You might even get to have a little Alexa helper follow you around the house. Alexa, take my bags to the front door. Amazon is reportedly working on a waist-high robot that will be an Alexa on wheels. They already have robots running their warehouses. So when will they make their way into our homes? Key is a smart door lock that is another one of Amazon's services. Not only is Amazon operating cargo ships and their own airline, they even have tows in your home to complete the whole delivery chain. So why not have Alexa approve delivery people that your front door opens for, and your mini Alexa home robot takes care of your packages and stores them away for you. When you get home, you could give the Alexa helper a cup to put into the smart dishwasher while you're sitting in the living room, or give it your bags to put into your car, and the day will come when you will have 100% control over such things as your car by using your voice. You could ask Alexa to roll up the windows or change your destination. How about asking Alexa to help you find parking spots and pay for parking, something Amazon has already gotten into? Would Amazon buy a car company in the future, since it is a big part of many people's daily lives? Or will it continue to work with car companies such as Ford, BMW, and Audi and program Alexa to work with specific features in each car? Alexa set car to sports mode, and this is already being done with hotels. You have Alexa for hospitality, which turns Alexa into your own butler and concierge. Alexa, send up 2 more towels. Alexa, help me check out. Amazon programs Alexa to integrate into each hotel's own network of services. So instead of having a high-tech Amazon hotel, it is customizing and programming Alexa to work in different hotels using the services they have. Alexa, make a booking for me at the spa this afternoon. One day, Alexa could follow you around from place to place. So if you go to a different hotel chain, it will know what temperature you like the room to be. The challenge for Amazon, though, is how do they keep Alexa with you when they don't operate the mini computer in your pocket, your phone, but with a voice assistant? You don't need a physical screen, so Alexa could recognize your voice and follow you around from room to room, place to place. Right now, Amazon Go uses cameras and sensors to track the grocery items you pick up and take after you have checked in with a QR code on your phone. The fact that Amazon doesn't have a phone could be a benefit. It means that they have to innovate in other ways. They're pushing hard and having Alexa programmed into existing systems and spaces. You can't ask your phone, please send up a toothbrush, since it won't have any idea what you're talking about, but the Alexa in the hotel room has been programmed to work with the hotel's computers, or maybe having a physical device that is on you is the way to go. And it could log in and sync with specific Alexa services when you go to places such as a hotel room or when you are in an Amazon Go store. Since you don't need a screen, this could pave the way for completely different devices. Could Alexa be sewn into our clothes? Or how about a little lapel pin that clips onto your shirt like the Star Trek comms badge Amazon has started selling by invitation? Only the Echo Loop, which is a Ring, and Echo Buds, which are earphones, both of which you can use with Alexa Say to order an Uber to your location. Jeff Bezos and his early team would pack books on their hands and knees, and then take them to the post office. It was a chaotic time. Packages would be shipped late, and packing on tables instead of the floor doubled their productivity. Now you have 2-day free shipping, 1-day free shipping, and even Amazon now the free 2-hour delivery service, saving you a trip out to the shops. This is all possible because Amazon has been building its own delivery system, from operating cargo ships in between China and the US to having 20,000 delivery vans and 300 semi-trucks. Amazon even has its own airline. Amazon Air is Amazon's cargo airline that has an expanding fleet of 50 planes. All of the airplanes and trucks allow Amazon to send packages around the USA faster. The packages then end up at one of Amazon's fulfillment centers, and to help deliver packages even faster, Amazon has been buying old shopping malls and converting them into more shipping centers. Why malls? Because malls are in great locations for populated areas, and they've been going out of business because of the rise in online shopping. Amazon has over 250,000 global warehouse workers and 100,000 robots working in these shipping centers, sorting and shipping packages. Back in 2012, Amazon bought the robotics company Kiva, now called Amazon Robotics. Amazon has their own robotics division which builds autonomous robots for its fulfillment shipping centers. You have specific robots driving goods around and other robots made for lifting. Once the packages are ready for delivery, they can be sent using one of Amazon's delivery vans or by its own Uber fleet. Amazon has its own Uber. It's called Amazon Flex, and it allows people to work through its app by picking up a batch of Amazon deliveries that they can then drive and deliver to people's doorsteps. People can schedule their own working hours, just like how they would be picking up passengers on Uber. 1-day delivery has gone from a luxury to being standard for Prime members. But as Jeff Bezos says, the customer always wants a little bit more, and now 2-hour delivery is being made possible through Amazon Prime now. But how can Amazon get even faster? By using drones. Drone delivery can cut down delivery time to 30 minutes. Amazon Prime Air looks to use drones that can deliver packages under 5 pounds within a 15-mile radius in 30 minutes. In 2016, the first Prime Air delivery was made in Cambridge, England, as Amazon had built a Prime Air fulfillment center in this area and is having more flexibility there when it comes to regulations compared to in the US. But the delivery distance of the drones is a challenge since fulfillment centers need a lot of space. They are located outside of the cities. One Amazon patented idea is the flying warehouse, a blimp that can fly closer to delivery areas, allowing drones to float down with packages, saving energy. The second patented idea is to use street lights. Fitting the docking station on top of them will allow drones to charge their batteries and could deliver packages through a trapdoor that slides the package down to street level. And the third patented idea by Amazon is the beehive. The idea is to move the fulfillment centers downtown. Instead of having a large single-story fulfillment center outside of the city, you have a tall multi-story building downtown that drones can fly in and out of, picking up packages. So could the Amazon city of the future make use of tall downtown buildings? Will there be Alexa-powered apartment buildings and hotels that will have drones flying in and out of the top floors dropping off deliveries? Or will there be downtown Amazon shipping center buildings where the top floors have drones coming in and out picking up packages? And on the ground floor you have Amazon retail stores where people can make instant purchases of groceries, clothes, and more. This huge delivery network, it could be said that Amazon is a delivery company, but no, Jeff Bezos says Amazon is not in the delivery business or in the business of selling products. Amazon is in the business of helping you make shopping decisions. Amazon started by selling books. It then allowed customers to leave reviews, positive or negative. Now this is standard today, but it was controversial back then. Jeff Bezos said that book publishers didn't like having their books reviewed like that, and that maybe Amazon should only publish the positive reviews. I believe you have to be willing to be misunderstood if you're going to innovate. Bezos knew that the negative reviews help people make easier and faster buying decisions. These days, companies use those negative reviews to make their products better. Today, there is an entire list of Amazon's different offerings aiming to make it easier for people to make purchases. For example, there is Prime Wardrobe, a service that will deliver clothes that you like. You can try them on and return the pieces that you don't want, and then be charged for what you keep. How about Personal Shopper by Prime Wardrobe, where stylists choose the clothes for you so you don't have to search, and you can try them on at home if you need someone to clean your home, do home improvements, do yard work, or set up your electronics. Then there are Amazon Home Services. Or how about buying a house? Another area that Amazon is dipping its toes into the service is called Turnkey, which will connect you with a high-rated, pre-vetted real estate agent in your area. And when you close a deal to buy a house, you will receive $1,000 to $5,000 worth of Amazon products and home services for your new home. Will Amazon take this concept of helping people buy their homes even further? Another big area that Amazon has gotten into is the health industry. There is Amazon Business for Healthcare, where Amazon has been supplying hospitals for a number of years, making it easier for hospitals to make purchases, while Amazon Basic Care is over-the-counter medications such as painkillers, cough drops, and allergy medicine that you can buy on Amazon.com. And since Amazon does not have to spend on expensive marketing, they can have lower prices. PillPack, a company that Amazon bought, is an online pharmacy that delivers prescription medicine. And then there is Alexa. Along with many other things, Alexa is being developed into a healthcare assistant that can help people manage common illnesses and remind them to take their medication. When it comes to services that makes it easier for people to buy groceries, there is Prime Pantry, and Amazon Fresh. Prime Pantry lets you skip your grocery trip and buy snacks, drinks, and home goods online with Prime shipping, while Amazon Fresh handles all of the fresh foods such as vegetables, dairy, and meat with same-day delivery. And for other everyday items, Amazon is making it easier for customers to make buying decisions by having its own Amazon-branded products, from baby wipes and kitchenware to keyboards, cables, exercising dumbbells, paper shredders, and more. Take Amazon Basics batteries as an example. They make up 90% of the battery sales on Amazon. People are drawn to Amazon's own products because of the low prices, and they trust the Amazon name. Then there are private labels. These are brands that have been created by Amazon, such as Wickedly Prime for snack foods, Mama Bear for baby items, and Happy Belly for kitchen goods. And there are over 50 Amazon brands just for fashion alone. For men's shirts, you have Button Down, Franklin and Freeman. For men's shoes, and Scout and Row for children. For women's fashion, Amazon brands include Lark and Row for everyday and workwear fashion, Luna Coalition for athletic leisure wear, and Daily Ritual for loungewear. Now, most people are not too keen on buying clothes and many other items online. Most people will go out to the stores. Online shopping only makes up 10% of overall shopping, and for grocery shopping, only 2% happens online. This is why you see Amazon fast expanding into real-world brick-and-mortar shops. Let's take a step back for a moment and look at Jeff Bezos' his own personal investment into a newspaper. Bezos was hesitant in buying the Washington Post because he didn't know anything about the newspaper business, but Donald Graham, the owner of the paper, told him that what the Washington Post needed was not more people who understood the newspaper business, but someone who understood the internet. This is what Amazon is doing to retail. They're mixing their e-commerce knowledge, data, and money with real-world stores to create hybrid shops. The technology they have built for their high-tech fulfillment centers is also making its way into the stores right now. There are 500 Whole Foods stores and 4 Amazon 4-star stores which sells highly rated Amazon products. There are also 18 Amazon Go stores, the stores with no cashiers or lines, as cameras and sensors track which products you end up taking and charge your Amazon account as you leave the store. Bloomberg has reported that there could be as many as 3,000 Go stores by 2021. Could there be entire shopping malls with this technology?